All right, guys, doing double duty here with a couple of my favorite websites. The first one being screencast-o-matic.com, a free screen recorder if you're recording how to do something for students. Obviously, I'm going to need to open another tab here for my second site. It's EdPuzzle.com. And when that pops open, you are going to be clicking Sign Up. Then we want to register as a teacher. And you can choose to sign up with a Google account, create just an EdPuzzle account that's not linked to an email, or you can do it with another site. I have a couple different Google accounts, so I'm going to register with one of those. When you do that, it's going to ask you to verify your school name. So I'm going to put in Community School of Naples. Okay, and we pop right up. You can select your content area and join your school. Okay, and then you can see who else is a member from our school. So obviously mine registered with science, so you can see my other Kelly Staber account and Laura Panic here. You can see trending in Florida, trending in science. You have lots of options. For videos, you can also click, see, Community School of Naples, and see there are 4 teachers registered. So there's Jean and one of my former students registered as a teacher. All you need to do to get started to find a video is search content. So this little box up here at the top. So that's where the cutest puppy video of all time in the bottom there came from. So I'm going to search cutest puppies ever. You can choose any video and watch that video yourself. Make sure it's what you want. You can also pull in videos. If I go back, you can go to different channels. So if you're in science or wherever, you can search specifically through National Geographic, stick with my puppies theme, and find videos from Nat Geo that have to do with puppies. So you can click on any video. If you watch the video, you decide this is what you want, then what you would want to do is click Edit, and it's going to pop you into the crop video screen. Say there's only 2 minutes of the video that you want to have your students watch. You can crop the video from either end, so you can cut out beginning or end. This voiceover button is if you wanted to get rid of the audio from the video and have only your own voice, you can use this tool. Audio notes. You can pause the video and then give the students some information from your own voice recording. But the tool I use most frequently is quizzes, which is the last box. When you do quizzes, students will start watching the video, and then in places
with the miracle of birth,
where you have decided to put in a question, all you have to do is click this question box, and a box pops up here. So you have a couple types of questions. Here's your open-ended question. You can do a multiple choice question. And then you can also put in just comments. So if you don't need them to answer anything, you just put in comments. So I'm just going to insert a open-ended question. Okay. And I usually, if it's an open-ended question, if it's a formative assessment that I'm doing, I want to provide feedback. And so the students will know if they are on the right track. So you can go back and forth with this button between the feedback and the question. I'm going to hit save. So you could choose to embed as many questions as you wish. Just click along the video, and then all you have to do is click this question mark every single time. When you're done, you're going to click finish. You can choose when to assign it. So I'm going to assign it today. It's going to be due by Halloween. You can choose a time if you wish, then hit save. Prevent skipping just means they can't skip through the video to the different questions. And you can choose whether or not to turn on closed captions. So that just depends on your student population. Once all that is complete, you're going to add it to a class. Now, if this is a new account, you're going to want to create a class. So you'll just click this button. You could say period 1. You can choose a description if you would like. Now, if you choose classic version, That's the one that's going to keep almost a grade book for you. So it'll tell you, did they watch the entire video to the end? When did they complete it? You can go back and see their questions. So if you want to go back and actually grade them watching videos, I would suggest Classic. Open is also a nice tool. If you're just posting it like on a website for midterm reviews or just to help kids out before some sort of assessment, then you can click open, and then you can choose to still have it collect names, or you can click to let them generate nicknames for your students. But I most often choose classic mode, create class. Then you would choose to assign the video. So you would just select the class. You can choose this to assign it to all the students or some of the students. And then this is the window that I get after it is assigned. Once students start completing the video assignment, then you'll start to see your information start to populate down here. So I created an account, I found a video, I put in a question, and I assigned it to a class, and that's all you need to do.